Huzur, a while ago I was asking about Jehovah Witnesses, and because of shortage of time, Huzur couldn't explain to us how to deal with those people. If Huzur kindly could tell us.
I think the Jehovah Witnesses are bothering everybody, everywhere. And I tried sometime to give them an answer which would keep them away from me, but just they were so adamant, they just wouldn't leave me. Then a counter question was posed by me to them. And they said, why don't you have two husbands? The Christians should have two husbands. It should be permissible. So because mostly they are girls, so they were amazed. What do you mean by having two husbands? I said, you believe that Mary had two husbands? She said, no, we don't believe that. I said, God was husband? If not, then Jesus was not his son. And when did God divorce her? So that she married again Joseph. Surely bring that reference to me and come again. And they never reappeared. So I told of this to other Ahmadis on the continent who were always bothered by these Jehovah Witnesses, and they always tried this and they never returned. So this time they come to you, you better try this on them, right? You got the argument well, huh? Sometimes they say that where is the proof that she was married to God? So I said, if she was not married to God, then Jews were right that he's an illicit child, born without a bedrock. So they can't run away from this argument. It's impossible for them to escape.